Good morning. This is the early morning hours of April 30th, 2020 in Memphis at about 4 a.m. And I've been up all night working on some piano songs that I've been thinking about doing. And I finally got around to working on a rock song from the late 70s by a band called Blue Oyster Cult, which I'll be putting out on YouTube here over the next couple days. But it's about 10 minutes to 4 here in Memphis, and when I saw that the skies were clear, I thought I'd walk outside and take a look at the night sky. And we've got Jupiter right at the top of the tree there. You can see that pretty well there in the screen, and just to its left, near the top of the tree there, is Saturn. I'm going to zoom in for just a moment to see if we can bring that out a little bit. There it is. And then down over here above the top of a tree, you can see Mars. So we've got three bright planets. Mars closest to the horizon, Saturn near the top of the tree there, and Jupiter also near the top of that tree. Now later this year, in December of 2020, Jupiter and Saturn will be within a hair's breadth of one another, less than a moon diameter, I believe. The conjunction, which it happens about once every 40 years or so, I think 40 to 50 years, that they approach each other that closely in the sky, so it's very unusual. Of course, Mars has several spacecraft orbiting it right now. It's got at least one rover, active rover on the surface, maybe only one now. I think there were two, but one of them's now defunct. Two moons orbit Mars, both of which are much smaller than our moon, but they're also much closer to Mars. So they make the night sky there very interesting. Saturn and Jupiter have between 70 and 80 moons each, and they're always discovering new ones, new smaller ones. So right now I think the tally is in the 70s for both of them. And Jupiter's got a spacecraft orbiting it called the Juno spacecraft. It's been orbiting Jupiter since 2016. Saturn had a probe orbiting it called the Cassini spacecraft, and that one was orbiting until, I believe, 2017, when that one went defunct. But anyway, it's cool to be able to see three bright planets in the morning sky. This is the nice time of year down in the Mid-South.